Okay, I'm going to write a program Fahrenheit to Celsius converter. The user is going to enter the value in the edit box of here, and the value is going to be entered as Fahrenheit. When he clicks on the Celsius button, it's going to convert that value to Celsius and then display it in the label at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to first off create two variables. Both of them will be real data types. Okay, firstly I'm going to capture the value from the edit box. Okay, so the value will be entered as string, and this is a real data type, so I need to convert this from a string to a float. str to float. Now I need to enter my formula to get the Celsius value. So that's going to be Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 divided by 9. Okay, so hopefully that will calculate the Celsius for us, and then we need to display that in the second label. Okay, this is the first label, the second label at the bottom. This is label 2. Label 2 of caption is equal to the Celsius. Celsius data type is real. The caption is string, so we need to convert this from a float to a string. Okay, from a float to a string. Okay, so we can test it quickly. Let's test it with the value 70 Fahrenheit should be around about 21 degrees Celsius, 21.111. If you want to cut that off, you can use float to string F and fix that value, that decimal value.